Hello and welcome to Worth It Reviews. Today we'll be looking at Sigma 18-50mm F2.8 DC DN contemporary lens. And this lens is for L mount, Sony E mount, Fujifilm X mount, and Canon RF Mount cameras. This lens is incredibly small at 75 centimeters and weighs only 290 grams. Sigma came to the Canon's rescue with this lens, and a lot of photographers started to switch to the RF S mount bodies because the lineup of Canon is pretty limited. However, is this lens any good? Well, let's have a look. The lens is made mostly out of plastic. The front filter thread is 55 millimeters. And the back does have a weather sealing gasket, which is great. Unfortunately, there is no image stabilization in this lens, but some of the Canon cameras now do have in-body image stabilization, which is a good thing. Autofocus speed is reasonably okay, but it's nothing amazing. So if you're trying to capture events or sports, I would probably look elsewhere. Also, sharpness of this lens is nothing special. However, you get this nice bokeh at f2.8, especially zoomed in at 50 millimeters. And this is the zoom range of the lens. The autofocusing speed. And here are some of the photos I managed to take with this lens. So what can you use this lens for? I would say it's a very versatile option for travel, for all events, maybe as a backup lens, and it's a great video lens option. So is this lens worth it? In my opinion, there is no other lens currently at the posting of this video that would be as versatile as this one, so I would say yes, even though the image quality is very limited. I would rate this lens 4 stars out of 5. If you'd like to purchase this lens, I've included affiliate links down in the description. It won't cost you anything more, but it would help me out with this channel. Thank you for watching.